Hey digital storytellers, now that you've created a Prezi account, you can get into the works and create a new Prezi and give it some kind of title. I'm going to go with Family at Apple Orchard. And if I wanted to, I could give it a description. During the fall, we all went to Whistling Farms Apple Orchard. And I can tell more if I want. So now I go into clicking on New Prezi, and it starts generating this background for me. This is going to require a lot of just kind of playing with and getting used to things. If I wanted to start blank, I can. Otherwise, if I wanted to start with something that's planned out a little bit for me, it might make it a little bit easier for you. So let's go with here. Let's just go with, I like the mountain thing. So let's go with mountain. And then it will show you a little preview of what it looks like when it jumps from thing to thing. It zooms in and things like that. So then let's go here to preview. So it's starting my process for me, and I can go into, or go back if I don't like it, but I can start editing. And I have these tools here, and here are my slides that I can work with, my transitions. Once you feel more comfortable with it all, you can create your own and decide, how do you want your transitions to go. But start easy with yourself. So we're going to go to step one. I'm going to insert up here, and I can insert all these different options here, but let's just keep it easy and go with image. I can select files from my computer, so remember wherever you've kept them, and I have my Apple Orchard pictures here. I'm going to click on the family picture there, open, it'll upload it, put it right here, and then I can decide where I want to put it. And if I wanted to, I can shrink it, or I could make it a little bigger. I'm zooming in right now by using this little, where did it go? That little feature there. I can rotate it by clicking on this little disc here, and I'm going to put it inside this box, and let's see, I can rotate it there. I can move it around by grabbing the hand. I can make it bigger, make it smaller, and if I wanted to, I could write on it. Or sorry, if I oh, there, just saw it. I'm gonna go back to here, because you can see if I zoom in here, there's my text. I had to zoom in a little bit, so then I can go Levi, and I might want to change my colors because I'm not really able to see it, so I can go to this color palette here and click. I think I actually got to highlight it all, and then I can go over here. Alright, and I can make this bigger. There we go. There's Levi, that's Lila. Let's zoom in. Here we go. I can zoom in, zoom out using these features here, and that's my first slide. If I wanted to do my second slide here, notice now this just says frame. Where did the image go? Well, see this arrow right here? I can go back up here to insert, and then I can go to image. So I can pick my second picture, and let's go with Levi being buried by apples. Okay. So this is saying I'm uploading a large image. Do I want to resize it? Or I can keep original. Now it says here, using many large images may crash Prezis. So I'll just do resize. So that it's kind of just getting it ready for Prezi. So here, I want to fit it inside this box here. And remember, I can make it bigger by doing the plus right here, and I can move it around by picking that hand, maybe a little less. And I can rotate it if I want. If I want to put a name in, I can. And so let's see what it looks like when I go back to my first slide here. Okay, if I wanted to play show, these arrows will kind of show you what you're jumping to. The road ahead. There's our family. There's Levi, and that's just some basic features of Prezi. Now if I wanted to, and if I want to get out of this, I click escape, that top left hand button. I'm going to save this up here, and I'm going to exit because I want to show you something you can do with other projects once you get more comfortable with things. So this is just what we started together here, and I can go up here to your Prezis, and this was one that I made to teach others a little bit about, you know, how we can use mobile technology like iPads. So when I press play here, notice every time I click that little next arrow, I'm jumping to and fro, I'm going to all sorts of places, and all these pictures and things are, I'm trying to see if I can get home again. Full screen. Nope, I don't want full screen. I want, escape out of that. I want to go home, but I don't know. There we go. So this is the playground for everything that I just created, and it zooms in, and if I wanted to, I can click on different things and zoom in on it, and I can see that there's all these small pictures in there. So this is something that you could really play with and see all sorts of things with. So just see what you can do with it and add more and more as you go on. So hopefully you've learned a little bit about Prezi, and enjoy. Uh-oh, where'd it go? I think I'm still recording. I'm still recording. So there we go. We're done.